How to make a screenshot on the Xiaomi Redmi 14C. Let's take a look at some simple ways to save important moments on your device screen. Press volume down button and the power button at the same time. The screenshot will be instantly preserved. To find it, go to the gallery, and here you can see the folder which is called Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Just tap on it and you will see all your screenshots. The other option, how to make a screenshot, for example, if you have busy hands and it's hard to push physical buttons, there is a convenient way. Just go to the main screen and swipe down from the right top corner. You will open the control center and find the scissors icon. It is the icon for making screenshots. Just tap on it and the screenshot will be made. There is a quick and convenient way when you want to make a screenshot with one hand. Just slide your 3 fingers down the screen. This motion will activate a screenshot. If the function is difficult to work with, check in Settings. Go to Settings, find Additional Settings, and then Gesture Shortcuts. Make sure that the function Take a Screenshot is turned on. Also, you can create a screenshot by pressing the power button twice. To do that, go to Settings, then choose Additional Settings, Gesture Shortcuts, and double tap fingerprint sensor. Tap on it and select Take a Screenshot. Now you're able to take a screenshot by pressing the power button 2 times in a row. Use the method that is most convenient for your needs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like it.